second thought, right there is going to be better. Even though up here you're higher, some of it gets cut off.
Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me, but this is our first YouTube video.
So we're going to start it off with a bang.
Yeah, we're gonna start off with a bang. Here's my friend Scott. Just as if you can see him, you know, he's a little weird. He is. Patriotic music. Oh yeah, see? Me, and then my friend Scott. Look at these beautiful pictures.
Started the channel off with it.
Here's all the people down there. You can't probably see them, but there's thousands of people. People over there, people, it's the heavens. You can't hear the patriotic music. It's pretty good now. Yeah, I might be doing some things tomorrow, so.
We should take videos tomorrow.
Tomorrow I might be taking some videos of JUCO. Yeah, I'm not gonna be that type of person that like takes videos of everything, but I'm also not gonna be like one of those people that take videos of just like baseball stuff and that stuff. Like, I'm gonna be like a gamer and that stuff. So, I'm gonna play Roblox, Minecraft, all that other stuff. So, leave a suggestion and I could tell you if I can get it or not on my computers. I mean, I'm getting an Xbox pretty soon. I'm more like a PC guy. I'm a PC person. So, yeah.
That's funny. These are basically bombs, but they're missiles with bombs on the end that are timed to blow up at a certain altitude.
So, yeah. You guys have any suggestions, comments, or what you like about it? Just tell me. Now I could fix it. I could do whatever you guys want. We are now up in the VIP section of JUCO. And my camera's coming in tomorrow, so if I could get that before we go to JUCO, I could do a lot more better recordings. I'm doing it right now with my iPhone, so yeah. If this ends up to be a very horrible video, just let me know. Because I could change it, my camera is going to be a lot better. It's a sports camera, so it takes movement pictures. So, if this is a little too loud, tell me so I can cover up the speakers a little more. So, yeah!
Whoa, that was a giant one. Few minutes. 3, 4. It's been like a minute so far, and you've gotten 55%, so about 2%. Of constant video.
Okay guys, if you hear that music, I'm sorry.
I'll do better down here.
I'm new at this, so well, guys, very sorry, but I'm gonna have to end the video here. So, well, see you later, friends. See ya tomorrow on my next video.